guys, welcome to my unboxing channel, Unbox Other Things. My name is Rue. Today, what you can see here is a board game unboxing. This is the game Secret Hitler, and yeah, it's an old game. I know everyone knows about this, but there's a catch. Okay, I'm gonna unbox this. We're gonna take a look at all this packaging in here. Then I'll tell you what's the catch. Okay, so quick look at the box. Secret Hitler right there. Okay, the bottom of the box. Sides same, and this is it. I think this is called the special edition or something. I'm not sure, but okay, let's open it. Okay, here's another look at the box without the plastic sheet. Okay, I got a slight dent here, another slight dent here, but that's fine. I mean, this was delivered, couriered. I didn't get this in the shop. Okay, box is pretty solid. Alright, this is the rulebook. I'm not gonna look through all that, but this is how it looks. A quick close inspection. Colors are pretty good. Paper quality is pretty good. Right, first player board. Double-sided. It's the fastest. This is for 7-8 players. Liberal. Shiny. Nice. This is the 9 to 10 player. Board quality pretty good. Colors are pretty good. Printouts pretty on spot as well. Okay, this is the 5 to 6 player board. Pretty shiny too. Fastest side again, which is the same as all of the rest of the Liberal board. Okay, we've got a Chancellor token made of wood. Chancellor. Printout, text, color, pretty good too. Here's the President. Pretty solid. Some minor defect on the board here. I mean on the wood. Other than that, printout pretty on spot. I know that looks kind of misaligned. I don't know. I think it's okay. It's just me. envelopes. Pretty envelopes, feels pretty cheap. Right, let's look at the policy cards. It's a Liberal. Again, printout is pretty good. Cardboard cut-up pieces, it's pretty nice too. Festus optical. Yeah, that's all. It looks pretty good. Let's check a few. They're all pretty on spot. Okay, this is pretty misaligned now, but let's take a look at all of them. Yeah. Pretty on spot except for this too, which is a bit off alignment. Right, let's look at the cards. Okay, card quality, not too shabby. It's very smooth to the touch. It's not laminated or anything like that, but it's pretty nice. We got the Yar ballot. All the printout looks pretty good. So card quality, it's kind of thin, but it feels pretty solid too. Okay. Yeah. Oh, let's look at the 9. Cards. So far, pretty good too. Okay, we'll look at the secret rolls last. So these are the party membership cards. All the printout colors pretty on spot. Font colors are pretty good. Got Liberals and we got the Festus. Now let's look at the secret roll cards. Secret roll. Okay, we got Liberal. Pretty awesome. Another Liberal. Liberal. Doggy. Old man smoking a pipe. Liberal. Mustache guy. Liberal. And we got Hitler right here. Festus. Is that a frog? Oh, the snake. Envelope versus card. Overall, everything's pretty good except for all these envelopes. I think they are very cheap. And a little token. Okay, almost missed that. So, what's the catch? Well, this is not an original game. This is actually a rip-off. Okay, it's a knockoff. All right, I saw this online, and in the pictures it looks pretty good. So I was curious to know how this game actually looks like in real life, because the picture looks damn nice. So I was thinking, okay, it's cheap, and I wanted to check it out and see how good this really is. I'm not saying go get it. It's something I like to share, you know. And since this costs only like what, half of the normal price, I think more. And I think if you want to try out some games, you want to get this to try it out. I think if that's if you've got some money to spare, you want to do that, I mean, go ahead. But then, hey, always support the community, buy the original games, okay? So this is just like a curiosity for me to just see how good this knockoff is, and it's, to be very honest, it's pretty good. I think I've put it on the table and I just let some people play it. They wouldn't really know that it's a knockoff. Please buy the original game. This is an experiment to check what they are, just to let you guys know, and you know, you guys are curious to know what they look like. So alright, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe, hit like, share. It's always great to have your support so I can make more videos like this. So yeah, stay safe, wear a mask, wash your hands, and I'll see you guys next time.